Guys, welcome back to CodeMine. Carry here. So hope you guys are enjoying the C programming complete tutorial on our channel CodeMine. And the guys who still not subscribed our channel, please do hit the subscribe button below this video and also hit the notification button, bell icon for the notification of upcoming videos. So let's start the next topic that is important and a very tricky question in the interviews and exam, that why main is a user defined, right? So first of all, we need to understand that what is user defined and system defined, or pre-built or inbuilt, right? This kind of like we use to categorize the functions. So we have mainly two type of functions, right? So two types. What are those two types and why we use that and why main is a user defined function? So we will discuss in detail in this video. So I just want to please watch the complete video, right, to understand this topic. So what are the two types of functions basically? So functions basically, we have two types. One is user defined, right, that we write down into our program, like in simple program. If I talk about example here, so in previous example we have done this increment in call by reference, call by value, we have do this function. So these function which we write down in a program, right, which declaration and definition, both things we write down into our code, right? In simple word we can say that the whole function body we write down into the code, or that the function body which is written by the programmer, that is known as the user defined, right? User defined methods, right? The next thing is, like you can say, the system built or pre-built function. So what is that? Pre-built function. Pre-built function you guys can say, or an inbuilt function, right? So the inbuilt functions are those functions which are already written into the library of C, right? The function body of those functions are already written into the library C. We just use that functions, right? We include the header files and we call the function that is written into the header file, right? So that is the functionality of inbuilt function, right? So they actually a kind of a helper to us. For example, we want to use printf, like getch, or we have another sort of inbuilt function for square roots, for math, for string functions, right, datetime functions. So we have a different type of functions available which is already written into the C programming, the library, right? And we simply use its header file. We just need to check that okay, printf is written into the header.h file and we can use that, right? So simply we do, like for in square root, for to use square root function of C, we need to use math.h, right? So that is a simple way we need to use the inbuilt functions. So we never write down anywhere math function, right? We just simply implement into our a program. Just we like include the header file of math.h. So that is a simple way to use inbuilt function, right? So this is a main difference between like a user defined function and like a predefined or an inbuilt function. So next question is that why main is a user defined function, right? So main is a user defined function because it is only called by the C compiler, but its definition written by the programmer. There is no definition of main written in library of C. So main is a user defined function. So what is that? So we have some queries related to that why main is a user defined function, because some people ask, if main is not a user defined function, then why we need to use main only? Why we cannot use instead of main anything else? So the reason behind is that we need to link our program with the C compiler, right? Without C compiler, we are not able to run our program, right? There should be an entry point into your program by which the C compiler can start the execution of your program. So that is the reason there in the setting of C compiler, there is a written that there should be a default main function from where the compiler will start execution, right, or start compiling the program. So main function should be a mandatory into C programming, right? But that it is not a system defined. Why? Because it is only written into the the thing which is written into the C library, that is that the a main function should be there, right? There is a no you can say the function body or the function definition written in any C library, right? There is a no main function written in the library of C, right? They just call from the library of C. So that is a major difference, right? The user write down main function from on itself, right? So that is a same thing. We also do the same thing. For example, we have a math functions, right? We just call the math function from our program, right? For example, we have a square root program, and that square root program we just write down sqrt, right? And we use that, and we call from R code to C library, right? That is simple. We just calling that function, but the body of that function is written into the library of C. So that is the reason that is a what is that? That is a system defined or an inbuilt function. The same way the compiler is calling main function that is written into our program, right? That is written into our program. That is not written into the C compiler, right? So that is the reason the compiler is only calling the main program, right? There is a definition written into the library of C, and the user write down it by itself, right? So we have to give some entry point to the compiler of C so that the compiler can start execute the program, and we write down the main function, and we can write down the message body as per our requirement. So that is the main reason we call the main as a user defined function. The simple in one line, in simple word, we can say that the compiler only call the main function, right? There is no definition of main function written in any library of C. So main is not an inbuilt function. Main is just a user defined function, and whatever the function written by the program, that comes under the user defined function, right? So the programs which is already written in the C library, we just call from our code, that is known as inbuilt functions, right? So example we have of inbuilt function like math function, string function, datetime function. So lots of function we have according to our requirement. So if you guys have any query, any question related to this topic, you guys can comment into the comment box, and please like, share and comment about the video, and please subscribe our channel by hitting the red subscribe button below this video, and hit the notification button, bell icon for the notification of upcoming videos, and share this channel with your friends and family. So thanks for watching. Have a very good day. Stay tuned.